Encountering the application made too many requests error 0x80860010. Here are 3 quick fixes to solve it. Open Settings. Select Time and Language. Click on Date and Time. Scroll down where it says Set Time Automatically, and you need to toggle that to the on position and get that a moment. Open the search menu and type WS Reset. Click on it. Open up the search menu and type in Network Reset. Best results should come back with Network Reset. Go ahead and open that up on the right side. Here, it says this will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. Select the Reset Now button. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Select Yes. And then this point, go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.